So this is me welcoming you to my vlog. If you are watching this, you already know what the title is about. It's about my last day at the RNTC scholarship in Haarlem, Netherlands. This is me waking up in the morning. And of course, I'm going to miss this very beautiful view. And yeah, off to the bathroom to get some cleaning done and then head down to the restaurant for breakfast. But before then, of course, let me drop my clothes for you to see, and voila, this is me looking all good in black, popping, popular finer. I'm a beaut in famous TikTokers words. And then I remembered I have a speech to deliver on behalf of my class. I mean, because it's the last day, so I was chosen to give the speech. I was trying to face the mirror and then do all those plenty talks that they used to do in front of the mirror, and trying to deceive myself, thinking, oh yeah, I got it, and I did got it anyways. I think at this time it was already 8:30, already late, heading to the restaurant to have my breakfast. And as it's the norm, yeah, before I get into the restaurant, you have to take off your room number, I mean, of course. And then the food, as usual, the same thing, same old food for the past 3 weeks. I don't know how I didn't get tired, but let me just drop my kaya and then get something into the stomach. So for the past 3 weeks, I've had this bread, eggs, multi-vitamin juice, that's what they call it, and then snacks as well after I finish eating that. So that has been my breakfast for like 3 weeks. And then let's go to school. Last day. So if you've not seen the view of or the front of the hotel where I stayed, that's Carlton Square. And coming out there is Lami. She has been my husband for the past 3 weeks. So we're heading to school right now. And as the pest that I am, I get to ask Lami this. Why are you excited to go back to Nigeria?
Yeah, I can't wait to get back home, honestly. I really cannot wait to go back home.
I understood that Lami was really excited to return back to Nigeria, but until she said this, you'll be shocked as well.
I miss the culture, I miss the colors, I miss even the stress. Honestly, I miss the stress. I miss President Buhari. I miss President Osinbajo. I miss Emefiele. Honestly, I miss them.
Can you imagine? So for me, I don't miss the stress. I don't miss Buhari. I don't miss Emefiele, Osinbajo, all of them. I don't miss Nigerian politicians. I'm not looking forward to coming back yet, because I have a truckload of work to do and I'm not here for it yet. Although I'm tired of the food, I'm a bit tired of the weather, but I just need some rest. I deserve some rest. So no, I'm not like Lami. I don't miss any of those things. I don't miss you guys. So as we're going to school, something very interesting happened. It had not happened like since the past 3 weeks that we had gotten here. So we noticed that the traffic lights stopped everyone on movement, the cyclists, the pedestrians, people in their vehicles, just because they wanted to pass this is a boat or a ship now through from one end to the other. So the road or bridge opened up for this to pass, and I felt it was really nice to see. This was at the center. Prior to this particular event that you're seeing now, in my class we had like a bit of conversation for this particular event that is about to take place. So for the past 1 week, we've been preparing to produce a podcast and a video. We were divided into different groups, and interestingly, my group's video was chosen to be showcased at this particular event. And maybe, yeah, I was also selected to talk a bit about it. And yeah, I want you to watch what went down.
Everybody from Africa knows about major internal motivation and
fact that it has scarred a lot of African women and girls, and we are seeking for more men to be part of this advocacy against the practice. So this is a social experiment with male journalists, content creators, and NGO workers. The reason we chose them is because they already have a platform that can influence you, and hence we reason for this. So we hope that after this particular video, you can also join us to fight against project activation. So at this moment, everybody was wrapped and glued to the screen watching the social experiment. If you have not seen it, it's already on my YouTube channel. Go and watch it. And of course, they loved it. And one of my favorite lecturers, Haarlem, had this to say.
While doing this video, they witnessed the effect of what they've done on the men that watched it. So I think it will be great.
Yeah.
Thank you.
So after that exhibition, it was time for lunch. I mean, I'd already finished eating because I was really hungry. We took our lunch to the class to continue some, conversations, and this was the end of the whole program. We're supposed to gather down for the final, ceremony, and everybody was like heading down. It was really nostalgic because I was going to be leaving this beautiful, beautiful dome. And yes, there's a history behind this dome. I would be sharing with you in another video. Hello, graduation ceremony. I think we're over 90 participants attending this program. It's the parent teachers association. The program kicked off with Keegan giving like a bit of intro, like just swelling our heads and all that stuff. So these like shots of participants, and then they were giving the lecturers gifts. They give them flowers as a thank you for 3 weeks of impacting on us their wealth of knowledge. It was really beautiful. And then this is Jackie, one of my lecturers, and they called her as well to give her rose, or a flower rather, and that's Haarlem over there.
And I represent.
So you remember that speech I was preparing for? It's time to deliver it. I had to quickly draft something on my notes. I was thinking, let me just freestyle, but like my brain was just failing me, so I just had to speak from my phone and then also freestyle as well. Such an amazing set of classmates. Getting to know them, I saw why you actually chose them, because they are change makers in their respective countries. From them, I learned the power of diversity. Together, we've experienced several laughs and also some vulnerable moments. But I'm happy that we are here to celebrate ourselves, and congratulations to all of us. To our trainers, interestingly, we had 5 trainers. Yeah, and so to our trainers, Jackie, Haarlem, Anas, Violin, Fer, thanks for impacting on us, your wealth of knowledge and experience. And you have actually sown a seed in us, and you'll be proud of the fruits that we're going to dish out. And lastly, to RNTC again, I know you think you are empowering just individuals, but actually with this platform, you are changing societies, communities, and even countries, because you have equipped us with a lot, and we can't wait to implement them. So from an insider joke, from the dream team from the fighters and the creative team of GCC Group 2, we say thank you very much. So representatives from other classes also delivered their speeches, and we had this very beautiful video that we watched, and it was amazing. We heard from previous participants as well, and yeah, this video got me teary at some point. And this is our and congratulations to us. So this is the wrap of February's cohort of the RNTC scholarship. It was really nostalgic, and yeah, I reminiscing again, remembering all of these things. It's beautiful, and I miss this so much. So yeah, we went to take pictures. Come and see some of them. So I'm leaving the building, and it feels so nostalgic. I mean, this has been our place for like 3 weeks, with the fight and the laughs and the good moments and the bad moments, and it's time to say goodbye. I hate saying goodbyes, but unfortunately that's life. You have to move on. You meet people, you say goodbyes, the circle goes like that again and again and again, and we move on to other opportunities that allow us to flourish, other opportunities that will bring us closer to more people, to more social change. And yeah, I'm here for that. And this is the end. Is this the end? No, there's something more later in the evening. So this is the something. So we Naija folks now, me and my husband Lami, we left our hotel to the others. If you watched the previous video, I showed you some of our Naija folks when we went to Amsterdam. So we went to go and party in their hotel. I like their lifts.
I like everything about their hotel. It's playful.
We're here to come and get drunk. Lami's face was like
If to die another day for you, baby. If my Casanova waits for you, baby. The only time that you say that you hate me.
Yes, no,
to where you did. So thank you for my want to be for my.
No one do like you. Cause I drive me crazy cause you are my baby. No one be like you. No one.
Go back to Carlton Hotel.
No one like you, one like you. That's how I say, oh yeah, oh yeah.
So this is where I end the vlog. I'm on route to my hotel, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and bye.
Bye.